The 2026 Mazda CX-20 is shaping up to be a major step forward for the brand in the compact SUV market, replacing the outgoing CX-3 with a more modern, spacious, and electrified offering. Positioned below the CX-30, the CX-20 is designed to take on rivals like the Toyota Yaris Cross, Hyundai Venue, and Kia Stonic, especially in regions such as Asia-Pacific where small crossovers dominate. Early reports and trademark filings suggest that Mazda is using this new model to refine its identity in the competitive small sub-segment, blending striking design with practical upgrades that were long overdue in the CX-3. On the outside, the CX-20 adopts Mazda's evolving Kodo design language with sharper, more sculpted lines, a bolder front grille, and ultra-slim LED headlights paired with stacked daytime running lights. The coupe-like roofline adds a sporty silhouette, while a floating black roof option and distinctive round taillights give the SUV a youthful edge. Compared to the CX-3, proportions are expected to be slightly larger, allowing the CX-20 to feel more planted on the road while offering a more modern visual appeal. Inside, the CX-20 is expected to elevate Mazda's reputation for producing interiors that feel more premium than their price suggests. One of the biggest improvements will be in space. Rear passengers and cargo capacity should see significant upgrades over the tight CX-3. The cabin is expected to remain minimalist and driver-focused, with clean lines, high-quality soft-touch materials, and a logical layout. A digital instrument cluster and updated infotainment system are likely, though it remains to be seen whether Mazda will stick with its rotary controller interface or shift fully to a larger touchscreen system. Either way, the CX-20 will aim to balance simplicity with modern connectivity, appealing to younger buyers and urban drivers alike. Under the skin, Mazda is preparing the CX-20 to be a forward-looking model with electrified powertrains. The SUV will likely ride on a platform optimized for hybrid technology, supported by a major investment in Mazda's Thailand production facilities. Entry-level variants are expected to use a 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with mild hybrid technology, while higher trims may introduce more advanced hybrid setups. Some reports even suggest Mazda could eventually offer a rotary-powered range extender hybrid, a concept it has been exploring for years, though that may come later in the model's lifecycle. Standard models will almost certainly be front-wheel drive, with optional all-wheel drive available to enhance versatility. While Mazda hasn't officially confirmed a plug-in hybrid variant, the global push toward electrification makes it a likely candidate in the near future. Offering both mild hybrid and potential plug-in hybrid versions would allow Mazda to cover a wide range of customer needs, from efficiency-focused urban drivers to buyers who want more performance and range flexibility. This would also help the CX-20 stand out in a crowded segment where electrification is quickly becoming the norm. Production of the CX-20 is expected to be centered in Thailand, not only to serve Southeast Asian demand but also to keep costs competitive. However, its appeal will likely extend far beyond, with markets in Europe and possibly North America seeing it as a stylish, efficient, and affordable small SUV. Overall, the 2026 Mazda CX-20 is shaping up to be a vital model for the brand, combining the elegance and premium feel Mazda is known for with the practicality and efficiency today's buyers demand. It addresses the shortcomings of the CX-3, offers more space, introduces hybrid technology, and packages it all in a design that is unmistakably Mazda. With its balance of style, smart packaging, and modern powertrains, the CX-20 could become one of the most important entries in Mazda's SUV lineup, strengthening its presence in the ever-growing small crossover segment. Would you like me to also prepare a short YouTube script version of this overview for your car channel?